I'm Stephanie Taylor.
Hi, I'm Eddie Oberoi. We're super excited about another listing we have here. Stephanie, now you've been doing a lot of business all over the Bay Area, Santa Clara County, San Mateo County, Alameda County. What do you think about this one?
Eddie, what I love most about this home is in a very modern complex.
Right.
It overlooks the beautiful pool area.
Yeah.
And on top of that, it's right in the middle of Silicon Valley.
And what I like the most about it is it's affordable.
Absolutely.
Silicon Valley can be super expensive, but if you're a first-time home buyer, this is an ideal place for you. Let's take a tour.
Welcome to 38740 Tyson Lane, Unit 116B. This modern complex comes complete with a community gym and is secured via a common entrance with elevator access and reserved, covered parking with plenty of street parking for your guests. A convenient and sought-after ground floor corner unit luxury condo situated in the highly desired Parkmont area of Fremont. It has a very roomy dining room with additional seating area at the countertop breakfast bar. There's a spacious master bedroom with ensuite bath, and both bedrooms have generous-sized walk-in closets. The in-unit laundry room has full-size washer and dryer, along with storage shelves. The wonderfully bright and airy floor plan with sizable balcony overlooking the sparkling swimming pool is perfect for basking in the sun. In close proximity to highly rated schools, Whole Foods, Trader Joe's, Lake Elizabeth, Fremont Hub, Public Library, Philz, Peet's, and Starbucks coffee. Enjoy a relaxed suburban atmosphere with the convenience of city living. An easy commute location, only a 10-minute walk to BART and minutes to all major Silicon Valley tech companies, main thoroughfares, and public transportation.
As you can see, it's a beautiful property in Fremont, near BART, all major public transportation, and plenty of great shopping.
Absolutely, I love this property. And if you have any questions, reach out to us anytime. We'll talk to you soon.